Hey, my name is Kenny. This is lecture 2 of the Intro to Software Development course. In this particular lecture, we'll be covering variables, the different types of variables, and also how to display output and read input to those variables. So I'm using the same IDE that I used in the previous video, and I'm going to take this existing code and we're going to remove this initial console.writeLine. So the first variable type is going to be an integer. So in the true definition of an integer, it is a whole number, and the way you write variables is usually the type of variable, and then you have to give each variable a name. So we're going to say age, and then you do equals, and then you can set the value of that variable. Now, an integer represents a real whole number, and in this particular case, it represents both negative and positive numbers. So in this particular case, I can put 25, and then I can do console.writeLine and say my age is, and do age, and then let's run that just so you can see. All right, and so it says my age is 25. All right, so let's go back to our code here. Now, for this, you can also take in other values. So let's say I wanted to accept name. So what I'm going to do is comment this out, and you do a comment with the double /. And so I will do a string name and Kenny. And then down here, we'll change this to name. Actually, I should have left that up there. So all right, let's put that there, comment that out, and here we will do Kenny, and you have to make sure that you end each of the commands that you write with a semicolon, otherwise you will get a compiler error. So my name is, and we'll do name.